All right, a little behind the scenes. I've been cleaning this bitch now for 3 fucking days. I rode it pretty much 2 days this weekend. So 1 weekend of riding. Fucking dirt everywhere. I know, I get it. It's a Honda 3-wheeler. Yeah. But fucking show trike. No fun. This is the shit people don't tell you. They have these beautiful pictures of their machines up there, and they're all fucking nice and shiny. No dirt. No fucking anything on them at all. But I've come to the conclusion the only way they can do that is just to not fucking ride them. So whoever has those beautiful fucking trikes and doesn't bitch about having to clean it after riding is fucking lying. Because holy fuck, boys, I've been into it. I've had this thing up on a end, sideways, flip, fucking completely down to the fucking frame and motor pretty much. Just got the front back on, air box, fucking all that shit back in. So now I gotta finish cleaning the tank, rear fenders, skid plate, and I should be able to fucking finally bolt it back together and start it up. Yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. If you want to build a show trike and have it looking good all the fucking time, either don't ride it or be prepared to be cleaning. Because fucking A. A lot of goddamn work. Alright. That's my PSA.